Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.